All local authority councillors are urged to think broadly, innovatively, and proactively in contributing new ideas towards sustainable urban development based on ESG principles and SDGs. Datuk Patinggi Abang Zohari said the move was important to ensure that councillors were among the main implementers of the state's sustainable development agenda. According to him, the state government aims for this group to be among the main implementers of the Sustainable Development Agenda in Sarawak.
Jadi saya haraplah ahli-ahli majlis mempunyai minda yang luas dan seterusnya menyumbang kepada pembaharuan yang kita buat, termasuklah Bandar Lestari yang berteraskan kepada ESG dan juga tumpuannya kepada SDG. Inilah harapan saya kepada semua ahli majlis yang berkhidmat kena rakyat dan Sarawak.
He said this when officiating the 2025 Councillors Seminar Team Localizing of Sustainable Development Goals for Sarawak Local Authorities in Kuching on Tuesday. Datuk Patinggi Abang Zohari added that new ideas that are in line with international standards are needed to ensure that local transformation remains relevant in the regional development stream. He also called on councillors to be open towards accepting new views in addressing current development challenges where the needs of a city are no longer just the provision of basic infrastructure.